Hey Aptera fans, I'm Chris McCammon, the content specialist, and behind the scenes I've also been working on our autonomous driving capabilities. We're excited to share that we're using Openpilot as our autonomous system. Now, Openpilot is an industry-leading system. It was ranked #1 by Consumer Reports a few years ago. And what that means for Aptera drivers is a really amazing hands-free driving assistance system that reduces the overall stress and mundaneness of long road trips. Imagine going on the highway, pressing a button, and taking your hands off the wheels, taking your feet off the pedals, and just enjoying the scenery. While Openpilot's driver monitoring system ensures that you're paying attention and remaining safe and able to take over at any time. This system is the most efficient way for us to get autonomy into Aptera vehicles. And it's built on the backs of thousands of engineers and programmers who have dedicated years of work to this amazing system. Aptera is going to be the first vehicle manufacturer to support Openpilot from the factory. Now, what that means is we're considering Openpilot in the entire process of making this vehicle. We're testing power steering racks to make sure they have enough torque and their quick response. We're making sure our vehicle supports stop and go, so in traffic, you can remain engaged and not have to disengage the system. These are important things that really can only be ensured if they're done at the engineering level here at Aptera. This vehicle is going to be one of the most amazing Openpilot capable vehicles ever created. And as Openpilot improves, so will your Aptera. Things like red lights and stop signs are coming down the line. Things like navigate on Openpilot are coming down the line, where you type in your address or you type in a destination to go, and the vehicle will take you there. By utilizing such an amazing, well-known system, we're accelerating the ability for you to have the best ADAS in the world. We're still exploring when and how Openpilot will be implemented into Aptera vehicles, whether that's hardware from Comma AI, or whether that's Aptera-built custom hardware. But what we do know is our team is committed to bringing this amazing autonomy platform to you and to all Aptera owners out there. We've been operating Openpilot in beta for several months now, and I think it's about time for me to take you on a ride. Let's go check it out. As you can see, this is Openpilot. Super casual, awesome system. You have collaborative steering, so if you wanted to move over to the right a bit more, you just grab the wheel, nudge it over. When you release, it centers back in its lane. It's just really nice and relaxing. And Openpilot never does any sudden movements or jerks. It's all very smooth and predictable. Now, the really great thing with Openpilot is this is a fully end-to-end autonomous system, which means going through intersections is no problem. It does it the exact human way that a normal human would. So as you see, hands off the wheel, it handled that perfectly. And it does on curved intersections, on everything. It's really amazing, and it just continually improves over time. And with driver monitoring, I don't have to, do a wheel nag every 5 to 10 seconds like in other OEM implementations of a level 2 system. It's tracking my head movement, my eye pose, all that stuff to make sure that I am paying attention. So yeah, this is Openpilot in Aptera. It's going to be really incredible, and I'm telling you, it's going to be awesome to go on road trips in Aptera with Openpilot, with DC fast charging, with access to the supercharger network. It's just the perfect road trip vehicle. I can't wait to get mine. Even more so now than ever.